Yes, everybody came. Chris has apologized. Some people say, hey, why don't you forgive? Yeah, you have accepted is a good thing. People are hypocrites. Majority of you are hypocrites. He has apologized to the normal Doris, the mortal Doris. The mortal Doris has accepted. Is God done with Doris? I'm just a vessel. I'm just a vessel God is using. God cannot call and I will say no. Majority of you are hypocrites. And he has apologized. I wish you should accept it. What am I accepting? That he came out and said, all I said is not true. Chris, you have not started. You have not started. The mortal Doris accepted your apology. But God in heaven has not accepted it. Because that apology was not sincere. It was not sincere, but it damaged control. Let me tell you people something. You people don't think that this is ordinary, Abby. People think this is not normal. There is maggot somewhere. There is 5 million maggots somewhere that is being that is in bondage. See all those people in that churches, all of them are under hypnosis. You think that is their clear eye? You see full-fledged men that have made money, they use their senses to make money. They are sitting in that church, clapping. Daddy ride on, Papa ride on, and you think they are using their clear sense. Are you guys okay? When God is intentional about something, when the judgment of God is upon somebody, don't dare touch it. I'm just a vessel God is using. I'm just a vessel. What are people saying? I should forgive. I have forgiven. Mortal Doris, I have forgiven. I should accept apology. I have accepted. Is God done with me? God is not done using my body. God is not done using my voice. God wants Chris to come out and confess. Majority of the people in that church, they are under bondage. They are under hypnosis. Before you guys started judging me, calling me names, did you ask yourself, was this girl okay? Didn't you think I was under hypnosis? Did you occur to you that something like that could have happened? Did you hear it? People coming out to confess. Did you not hear what happened? What they said? That they can make tortoise come out of his tank. Did you not think, was this girl using her senses? And you're telling me, she has that. I have accepted now. The mortal Doris has accepted. In fact, this is the beginning of the end. I should do what? I should say, oh, this thing is paining me. The way people are saying, oh, Doris, thank you. You are a good woman. You have accepted. We are not ready to change. It is not of my power. Whatever is going on is beyond my control. God is not done yet. God is intentional. God is the one exposing this man. Do you know the maggot that is buried inside ground that has over 5 million maggots born in the bigger the maggots get, the bigger the congregation gets. Why do you think they are not living? And you guys, do you know how many people that are in bondage? Guy, Chris, the mortal me, have accepted. God is not done with you. The best thing for you is to go to the police station. You said everything I said is a lie. That is even the more reason why you should go to the police station and take yourself to the police. Bring yourself to the police. Let me bring myself to the police. Let me bring the evidence. Else, the matter is just starting. Accept. Did you guys think I came out to embarrass myself for clout? Because he knelt down in his church? and you think, oh, it's okay, it's enough. You guys don't even know when God is at work. You guys don't know these people. I know them. I know them. They can do anything to preserve their name. When I told you that, I thought I was joking. Kneeling down was one of it. That drama that he did in the church was one of it. After drama, he's hugging. Those people hugging him, all of them. Are you people aware that this 21-year-old girl, that is Pastor Jewel, the fair one, that fair boy, that girl was the boy's girlfriend? Are you aware that that girl was the boy's girlfriend? It is because of pregnancy that he married this girl. Are you people aware? They're saying, I don't have myself. God is not done. You know how God is. He's intentional about his things. He's not done with this man. If he was done with this man, people would not be coming out to talk. He is not done. Allow God to do his thing. God, the mother Doris have affected, but God is not done. And trust me, what is coming will shock all of you. Everybody under that bondage will be liberated. Everybody under her black hypnosis will be liberated. Do you know how many people that are in bondage, that are in chains? See full-fledged men sit down in the church, they clap for atrocity. They clap for, and you think it's normal. When I know they use nonsense. I've been done hypnotize all of you with the internet. After all the insults that I was given to me, and you think, not be me they do this thing. God is doing it. Not be me. I'm just a body. I'm just a vessel God is using. You guys don't know what is going on, Abby. If you are spiritual, you will understand what is going on. Hey, Chris. I told you that the Lord is on your matter. You think it's a joke. You think it's about Doris. When you were begging me in the car, when you wanted to speak to very dark man, when you said that I should talk to very dark man, I called him. I sent him. I said, bro, calm down. Hear from him. Bro, I was there when you spoke to very dark man, Chris. You called him 3 times. He did not pick before he now returned your call. What? See, you're just a foolish man. You know why you're a foolish man? You forgot what very dark man told you. He said you wanted to see him. What did he tell you? He said if you want to see him, come to his village shrine. Very dark man has record of everything because he has anybody. Because he has to have his proof. When you were sending me all those things, blah, 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 your children was blackmailing you. I said, this man said his children is blackmailing him. I forwarded everything to him. Both your children's this thing that you gave to me. He told me I should tell you to show me the response that you gave to those children. And he warned you. He said, if this thing come out on social media, this girl was only asking you for her school fees. He told you should come to it. He told when you said you wanted to see a very dark man. He said, come to my, I will not see you. He said, and he was calling you Mr. Chris. He looked at me and said, he's very rude. I said, who's very rude? He said, I cannot call you pastor. He told you. I was there now when you were talking to him. He told you, he said, remember I've met you 2 months ago. You said yes. And you know the story why he met you. I know that story now. The story of using people's pictures. I know the story. They told me already in the police. 2 months or 3 months ago. When they arrested you. Where you went and lied with family picture that's not your own. Or fake miracle. Very dark man is coming. I know that one now. I warned you. When I will show you guys my chat. When the judge and bail lawyer that he brought said he's suing very dark man, I warned him. I said, you said what? You want to sue very who? You don't know who you're dealing. Okay, you're still dealing with Doris. Think Doris is normal. Very dark man is not normal. Very dark man, see, if you think that I'm not normal, very dark man has score. Didn't buy this case before because he saw he was boyfriend and girlfriend case. But now, you know what you have done? You have made him to buy the case. You have made him to buy the case. People are underestimating very dark man. Now me know that guy. One of the, oh God, I don't want to talk. If you see, he will play your voice now, bro. He will play your voice. You're talking about integrity, about very dark man. I can tell you for free that integrity choke. Carry his son. His son, they very stubborn. And they do video. Make you look on. I'm looking for you to hit this thing. Carry. Bro, when they talk about integrity, integrity choke for very dark man. That boy know they fear. Can't bribe him. You cannot bribe him. His integrity choke. When you say integrity, when that boy tells you, I have integrity, believe it. You can't bribe him. You are in for it. Oh yeah, now let's see how he plays. You don't find trouble. You don't buy markets. Part 1 don't play. Part 2 loading. This is not Doris. This is not Doris, Abby. They kept quiet because his boyfriend and girlfriend matter since. Now you want it to go. You would today you will learn the hard way. You will learn the hard way.